So here's how to get Notion AI. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First things first, if you don't already have a Notion account, go to Notion. So sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Notion workspace. Next, you'll want to create a new page where you'll utilize Notion AI. Click on the plus button on the left-hand side and choose Page. Give your page a name, and you're all set. Now you're ready to explore Notion AI. Scroll down and select AI. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing Notion AI's fantastic features. Today, let's try Extract Word File. Let's import a Word file. Click on the Import option and choose the Word document you want to upload. Notion AI will work its magic and extract the content from the Word file, creating a new block with the text. Now let's modify the content. You can easily edit, format, and add new elements to the imported text using Notion's intuitive editor. And there you have it. You've learned how to get started with Notion AI and used it with an example of importing and modifying a Word file.